Oh, 600 horsepower.
Yeah, it'll definitely beat the Charger to 60, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
I really feel like I'm driving a shuttlecraft.
Right, it makes spaceship noises. But the air ride makes this thing really comfortable.
It is. It's almost like a not as soft as a Range Rover, but it's similar feeling. It's so quiet.
Yes.
It makes a lot of whirring noises like the Jetsons.
Okay.
I would probably not get very good range because I would be gunning it all the time.
No, it's kind of the same problem for me because I started with the 80% because that's the max charge. You know, when you're just doing normal driving, they don't want you to fully charge it. That could diminish the battery over time, unless you need to, like on a long trip. And I've already used, well, it's at 57, so I've used 25%. Just coming to you, 30 miles.
I'm reaching through.
I know, no turn signal. Yeah, you got to use the button.
What the? It
The
doesn't
steering?
feel right, man.
Right, it's too easy to steer. Yes, it's very nimble, but then drives like a boat at the same time. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it is very cool. I mean, just looking at it from the exterior, it's kind of like, but then now I'm actually driving it. This really is really cool.
Yes, it is the future, and I'm curious what you think of the future when it comes to keeping this thing, I guess you don't say running because nothing runs, keeping it buzzing.
Buzzing?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't even know anything how to get to anything on this.